Do you ever feel like your enemies are out to get you? Because a day I had yesterday, in fact, because of how it went, I couldn't talk to you guys yesterday. And I was supposed to start this vlog yesterday. But man, I had a day. First of all, you know how you just get so used to living life and then you lost track of time. Yesterday, I did not even know that it was Thursday. But I have been struggling to edit my videos and I've not really been creating. I'm going to get into that a little bit later in this vlog because guys, see, you are going to hear me rant because this thing that I want to talk about is happening on here. But let's not digress. Let's go back to what exactly I'm trying to tell you. I've not really been posting, I've not really been vlogging, and I have not really been editing because I am not in the mind space for it. And I just had this overwhelming feeling to start yesterday. So I woke up and then I started editing. I was like, okay, I'm going to talk to you guys later. I'm also happy because I was going to like post the video early, which is something I've not done in a long time because most of the time, because of how I procrastinate and let things go, I don't, do the videos until it's almost time. In fact, that's why I've been uploading my videos late. If you guys know, our upload time is 6 o'clock. But I have been putting up my videos by maybe past 6, sometimes 7, 7:30. And that is because of the network. Guys, I finished editing that video by 1:01. Oh yeah, now start uploading. Guys, I uploaded that video. That video refused to upload. My Airtel network, my MTN network. In fact, I took the phone outside and I hung it. I'm not lying, I'm not joking. I hung it up on my neighbor's AC. That's in stadium for almost 1 hour and it didn't move. I was already it was already a mess. You know what I decided to do? I dressed up and went out. I did not have any destination, but I just know that, like, you guys, I don't know if you do it, but sometimes when you're on transit, network is quite fast. That's what I decided to do because I just knew I couldn't go another day posting late or not posting. So I just told myself, okay, let's just go somewhere. I did not have anywhere in mind. Let's just go. So I took myself out and then I just started booking. I took a bike. I took a keke. We're just driving. This is not private though. I just told them I'm going to this place. So they carried me with other passengers. They dropped me, carried me again. And then I go to one park and I saw a bench and I sat down there. I didn't talk to anybody. The guy was selling, what's it called? All these hot drinks and those people that sell fruit and then POS. I just sat down there. They were just looking at me. But because of the love I have for you people, because of the love I have. And I'm not saying this to make you guys feel like, oh, Steph did this. But it really, really messed up my day. Like, it really, really messed me up that yesterday because I'm just like, what kind of country is this? What kind of stress is this? But anyways, today I'm better. I'm feeling better. And I need to do better too. I also need to do better because what have I not been uploading?
Baby, just like come on. clean. Say something you will never do. That fucking sucker with me.
Guys, I am ready for church. How cute is my earrings? Woo! This is my full outfit, by the way. I look so office and usher type. I'm wearing this heel. But yeah, let's go to church. It's Sunday. Oh my goodness. Guys, I just got back from church and I had my shower, took my makeup off, and I want to take a nap. I am so sleepy. I've had lunch and on my way back I actually stopped to get this. See guys, this is what I have been eating. I've really not been eating well this past couple of days. In fact, this month, since I entered this January, my eating habit has been very, very terrible, and I just keep restocking on snacks because that's what I munch on, and then I overeat because I feel like I've not really eaten. Does this make any sense? Also, yeah, I want to tell you guys, so since I got a new tripod, I talked about it in my last vlog, I want to give this out to a content creator. Yeah, because I remember like this just took me back to when I started content creating and how difficult it was for me. And you know how they say start small, don't get a camera if you're not ready to do content creation and all of that shenanigans. Guys, I remember when I bought my first tripod, but before I bought my first tripod I was struggling because I used to like stack up, what's it called, books to put my whatever on. So I just thought about it, instead of keeping it here and basically not even using it for anything, because once I bring out the new one I'm hardly ever going to be using it. Why not give it to somebody? If you're in Abuja, it will be so good because, you know, it will be so easy for you to get it. So you guys just DM me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my handle on the screen. And yeah, I'm going to try to fix it again because I did use like knife to melt plastic in it. Like it can actually stand, but you need to know how to set it and it works. So if you need it, it's not perfect, but I just feel like for somebody that is starting up content creation, and please, if you're going to send me a DM, make sure you already have a channel. I'm only going to be giving this to content creators and people that have a channel, and be consistent also, because I'm not going to give it to somebody that is not using it. You guys get? I'd rather just keep it in the house and use it for myself, or maybe give one of my friends that is using it. So yeah, just DM me. You don't have to do anything serious. Just DM me, and if you're in Abuja, it's a plus or is an advantage for you. I'm going to give till the end of the week before I decide who takes it. So from now till, let's see, I'm going to put the date so that if you're watching this after that, you know that I've already given it to somebody else. So by the way, logistics is on you. Yeah, so this tripod, you're going to be getting it for like 20 or 35,000 naira, and I'm going to be giving it basically for free. So just DM me. I want to sleep, guys. Yo, guys, I am going to the market. I am going to go buy foodstuffs because I have realized that the reason I keep eating unhealthy is because I don't even have healthy foods in the house. So I just made a list of things that I need to go buy. So let me even take it out and put them in my wallet. Man, I went to check my weight. And I know, girl, you need to do more. I have not lost any weight that I gained in December. Yeah, because I first checked in January. That was what motivated me to start working out. But I'm not even very, very consistent with my workouts anymore, which is so sad and which is so bad because it's not like I was even doing too much. But I used to add like steps, walking, where I do 10,000 steps a day at least, or at least 8,000. Guys, I have been sleeping. I feel so tired and so sleepy every single time, and that's because it's almost that time of the month, and this one came with tiredness. This is the perfume I'm going in with. I just even woke up from a nap. And I was just like, I am so tired of doing this. Like, yeah, let's go out. So yeah, that's why I am all dressed. Not really dressed, just like I'm looking like a market person. It's actually evening, and I'm going this evening because besides the fact that I'm really not doing anything right now, in fact today is like my rest day. I also discovered that when you go to the market in the evenings, especially this market I'm going to, they sell things cheaper. Yeah, they actually sell things cheaper because I feel like they're trying to clear their goods for the night so that it doesn't go bad. So that's what I learned this in December when I went to the market for Christmas shopping and things I wanted to cook. So we have sunscreen there. Anyways, you guys, let's go. I got spring onions, pepper, cabbage, pineapple, cucumber. I want to make the smoothie thing again. I made it in my last vlog. If you guys want to try it, it's just pineapples, cucumber, and lettuce. I couldn't find lettuce in the market, by the way. But yeah, we have what's it called? Potatoes, have I said? Salt, crayfish. I actually grinded one. Yeah, this is the grinded one. So I'm just gonna put it somewhere, and then this is the one that we not grinded. And I got scent leaf. Guys, I'm going to tell you something I've never done before. And what's this? Ugu leaf, because I want to make okra. So this is okra. This is like 500 naira okra. I think the man cheated me, but it's because my customer is not around. The person I usually buy from. Peas, carrots. What's this called? Green beans. And then onions. What is here? Pepper. Oh yeah, I bought pepper and extra onions. So yeah, and then we have fish, chicken, goat meat, beef. I told you guys there's something I've never done it before, but guys, fun fact, I don't know how to make pepper soup. I know. It's just one thing I have never gotten right. I don't know why, but I want to try it, and this has been a long time coming because every single time I want to do it, I always find a way to make excuses for myself. So I'm going to leave the soup. I'm going to make the soup tomorrow, but I'm going to like wash all of the protein I bought. That's the chicken, the fish, and put them in the refrigerator. But I'll take out some to cook tonight because I want to cook the pepper soup and see how it tastes. I really hope it comes out nice because I'm going to cry if it doesn't. Like, what is happening? Why can't I cook pepper soup? And it's supposed to be one of the easiest things ever. But anyways, let me not bore you guys. I'm actually cooking this. I'm tired. But I'm cooking this because of the scent leaf. I don't want it to go bad. And it already looks like it's going to go bad. I want everything to be perfect. Perfect. So let's put this away and start cooking. Oh my goodness, guys, something just happened right now. I almost fell. Oh my gosh, guess who just finished filming a video? I am so happy, and this is for my other channel, guys. I tried filming 2 videos today, which is so unlike me, but I'm trying to be productive from the, how do I put it? I'm preparing for February. Yes, it's nowhere close, but I just want to start stacking up videos so that, because I have left that channel for too long, I want to be constant on that channel. So I want to try as much as possible to batch create before I start posting on that channel, because I want to start posting like twice. And yeah, I just finished filming for that channel. I don't know if I'm going to put up the first video I filmed, because guys, I've not done a sit-down video in a very, very long time, so it was very, very obvious. And the things I was just saying, they were not sounding like they were making sense. I don't know, maybe when I edit it's going to make sense, but I'm just like, will I put this thing like this? Because I don't even know. But anyways, I am happy that I did that. And yeah, I actually wanted to go make dinner now, because some of the things I brought from the market yesterday, I have not touched them. I told you guys I wanted to cook soup and all. But before we get into that, and I think I should even still talk about it in like next video, because I thought I was going to have the time and chance to talk about it before like this part. I wanted to talk about this thing, guys, when we are just entering into the vlog. Which one should I do? Should I talk about it now or later? Okay, I'm going to go in depth in the next vlog, but I just want to appreciate you guys first of all, and remind you to be kind to people. It is so easy to drop your 2 cents. It's so easy for you to think that everybody wants to hear what you have to say, but seriously, not really. I'm just going to leave it at that for now. But guys, I'm going to get into it in my next vlog, so make sure to stay tuned. I'm going to like give you more details, because I don't want a situation whereby I said I was going to tell you guys something and then I did not say it. So like I said, if you want the tripod, I have packed it up. Let me know. Like I said, I'm going to put the date for this whatever to be over. That I'll select somebody, you know, if you're in Abuja, if you're in Lagos. But like I said, dispatch and delivery is on you. Logistics is on you. So you just let me know when you are ready to pick it up, and I'm going to let you come have it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe and make sure to like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.